enter a time of rapid technological advancement where the lines between people and machines are becoming blurred. AutoGPT stands out as a groundbreaking AI initiative in this rapidly changing environment, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Explore AutoGPT's diverse capabilities as you go on a trip to discover how it may transform human-AI collaboration, productivity, creativity, and communication.
Should we allow AI machines to flood the internet with propaganda?
An engaging AI game, a seductive dance between human intelligence and computer ingenuity, starts off our journey. Imagine engaging in a 2-minute discussion that is both quick and captivating, but where the challenge is determining whether your conversation partner is a real person or an expression of AI's computational skill. This cleverly designed game is a perfect example of how well AI can understand the subtleties and intricacies of human language. Not only does this demonstrate AI's ability to mimic human dialogue, but it also invites us to reflect on the complex interplay between human intuition and the AI's ability in an ever-changing symbiotic relationship. As our discovery deepened into the heart of AutoGPT, a distinctive feature emerged, an ability to transcend the limits of human memory. AutoGPT's incredible ability to remember and retain information is equivalent to 20 incredible books that tell of the complex neural structure that underlies its cognitive abilities. This extraordinary memory is not just a technological feat, it serves as an important milestone on the road to artificial awareness. Its promise goes beyond mere information storage, suggesting revolutionary possibilities to redefine education, catalyze research, and reinvent the knowledge management landscape. From the realm of memory, we pass through the realm of art, an arena where AutoGPT shows its power as a creative companion. Powered by an AI-driven Python script, AutoGPT is capable of turning scribbles and doodles into visually captivating works of art in real time. This transcendent ability bridges the gap between human imagination and computer ingenuity, offering a glimpse into the world of AI that stands alongside human creators in the field of storytelling. This convergence of creativity and technology is a clear call, inviting us to envision a future where AI acts as an amplifier of human ingenuity rather than a mere technology tool. Then the journey took an unexpected turn in the field of digital creativity, where AutoGPT was transformed into a talented web developer. Equipped with the ability to generate complex lines of code, AutoGPT orchestrates a symphony of a fully functional website. This transformation represents a giant leap forward in web development, surpassing automation to usher in an era where AI is redefining the fabric of online experiences. The combination of human design sensibilities and AI precision becomes an enchanting glimpse into a future where digital landscapes seamlessly blend creativity and functionality. However, the development of AutoGPT does not stop at web development. The innovation goes even further. A standalone to-do list app, a digital helper that transcends conventional task management. He envisions a future where AI takes control of productivity, ensuring tasks are performed seamlessly while optimizing workflows. The harmonious synergy between AI and human effort promises a revolution in personal and professional efficiency, paving the way for a new paradigm of collaborative productivity. The limits of AutoGPT's capabilities go far beyond the individual, venturing into the realm of deep research. He's considered a data expert, sifting through platforms like Hacker News, distilling complex information, and providing brief summaries along with relevant URLs. This skill is reshaping the content creation landscape, turning data into an actionable insights across a multitude of domains. As the allure of podcasting beckons, AutoGPT is enhancing its sophisticated storytelling capabilities. By aggregating recent news, it creates compelling stories that form the basis of compelling podcast outlines. With this role, AutoGPT transforms from a mere assistant into a co-creator, inviting humans to collaborate with AI in creative process. The blurring of lines between human authorship and AI contributions illustrates the transformative potential of this symbiotic partnership. Then, the journey turns into the world of coding, where AutoGPT takes on the role of an apprentice programmer. By generating complex code snippets based on natural language prompts, it unravels its intricacies of software development in a way that challenges traditional notions of human-AI collaboration. This bold move in coding predicting a future where AI evolves from a passive tool into an active participant in the creative coding process, potentially driving innovation in the developed world, software development. The fabric of human-AI interaction continues to evolve as AutoGPT gains direct browser access through Cognize. This innovation allows users to leverage AI capabilities directly in their browser, reshaping the dynamics of delegation and task execution. The seamless integration of AI technology into everyday tasks paints a picture of future where technology becomes an extension of human thoughts and intentions. The world of data manipulation and analysis awaits, and AutoGPT will respond as a virtual data analyst. analyst. Armed with the ability to decrypt databases, generate SQL queries, and deliver insights through platforms like Slack, it unleashes a revolutionized data-driven decision-making. AutoGPT becomes an indispensable asset for harnessing the power of information for strategic decision-making and problem-solving. The most amazing revelation, however, is AutoGPT's expandable memory capabilities. Its ability to recall and refer to information in various conversations reflects the complex processes of human memory. The creative sector is undergoing a major change as AutoGPT expands its reach into the music and visual arts sectors. The potential for a harmonious fusion of human expression and innovative music is demonstrated by the creation of AI-generated music tailored to human emotions by collaboration between AI artists and human creators. In a parallel feat, AutoGPT's ability to turn text prompts into engaging videos illustrates the convergence of language and visual arts, offering new vistas for creative exploration. However, the narrative of human-AI collaboration is incomplete without acknowledging the transformative impact on the music industry. Artists like Grimes embrace AI-generated music, heralding a new horizon where human creativity converges with AI innovation to redefine the boundaries of artistic expression. As we move towards more realistic interactions, AI-powered text speech will emerge as a sign of progress. AutoGPT's ability to engage in conversations reproduces human thoughts, hesitations, and nuances, bridging the gap between technology and authentic human communication. This huge step forward paves the way for a future where AI interactions are more nuanced, responsive, and relevant, improving the quality of human-AI interactions. As our exploration of AutoGPT's capabilities unfolds, a panoramic vision of the future takes shape, an era in which AI seamlessly integrates into the fabric of human existence, enriching our capabilities, creativity, increased productivity, and improved interactions. The horizons of AI's potential are widening, promising a reality in which AI acts not only as a tool, but as a partner, collaborator, and prompter of progress. The journey culminates in a sense of wonder, curiosity, and anticipation, standing on the threshold of a future shaped by the dynamic interplay between human ingenuity and the evolution of AI. One fascinating aspect of AutoGPT's capabilities lies in its memory architecture. With long-term and short-term memory capabilities, AutoGPT can remember past prompts and conversations, using them to automatically generate follow-up responses. This remarkable recall mechanism resembles the complexity of human memory, allowing AI to engage in context-rich and meaningful conversations that transcend individual interactions. At the heart of AutoGPT's text-generating power is OpenAI's GPT-4, a formidable model that allows AI to generate human-like text. To complement, GPT 3.5 supports file archiving and summarization, creating a synergy that leverages AutoGPT's ability to generate consistent and insightful responses. This unique blend of technologies positions AutoGPT as a bridge between human intent and AI-generated content, facilitating a level of interactivity that was once the realm of science fiction. The overlay of capabilities that AutoGPT carries goes beyond its predecessor, ChatGPT. While AutoGPT retains the capabilities of ChatGPT, it takes a giant leap in adapting to more advanced tasks. Visibility is expanding as users can now entrust AutoGPT with complex tasks like building apps, planning startups, and even ordering a unique pizza. This leap in complexity underscores AutoGPT's potential in solving complex challenges, marking a turning point in the evolution of AI. However, the road to AutoGPT is not an easy one. Unlike ChatGPT, which is easily accessible through a web browser, AutoGPT's domain requires a certain level of technical skill. Starting this journey requires installing specific software and getting familiar with running Python code. This complex process underscores the complex web of technologies that underpin AutoGPT's capabilities, while also posing challenges for those with little coding knowledge. Please click the subscribe button to receive updates on fresh and fascinating content if you like this innovation as much as I did. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with people you know who are also passionate about innovation in technology and AI.